software language. Whatever work you are doing, you keep your focus on that. Definitely the end result will be good. Got it? So that's why throughout, people used to say as whenever the Bhagavad Gita comes, perform your karma, leave the output to me. It's nothing but leave the output. Don't think about the output. Whenever you get connected with the output, that makes you feel panic, anxious, and you start living in your future rather than living in present. Done, Harini ji? Any other queries?
Ma'am, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for that elaborate explanation, ma'am. And ma'am, I had listed my threats and opportunities and weaknesses, everything except strength, ma'am.
Similar to
This was
Archana.
so funny. So, yeah, so funny. I mean, I just could not put it down. I mean, I know what my strengths are, but then I just could not put it down. I mean, this is absolutely related with the goal that I had set. So
That
in
is
that goal,
important.
how to, I mean, what if there are no strengths?
Definitely we will have. Definitely we will have. But we will
That is why this catch 22 came. That is how this catch 22 came. You know, what if
definitely
we
will
have
have.
don't know?
So no. Now think about your positive points and try to make them connected with your goal. They become your strengths. Because really, if at all you don't have strengths, you would have never thought about that goal in your life. So strongly you have decided about your goal. Subconsciously, you know that you have that strengths, but consciously you are unable to accept them. So
Yeah,
think
consciously
deeper,
not able to apply. Yeah.
think deeper, you will get them.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
లాంచ్ చేయడా సినిమా అరుణ్ తేజ ఫస్ట్ సినిమా కంచె కదా కంచె ముందు ఇంకో సినిమా వచ్చింది కంచె ముందు ఇదే ఈ మ్యూజిక్ ఉంటే సినిమా సినిమా పేరు చెప్తా ముకుంద అమ్మా
I think you're on mute, Andy.
Chandrasekhar garu, you're on mute.
Right. So good morning all. On December 25th, it is going to be Gita Jayanti. So on 25th evening, we are organizing a session. We are planning to organize a particular session. Either it can be on mind management and leadership related something. Okay. So I'll request someone is mic is on. Kindly mute it. Dr. T. Upendra Gar, I think. Any other mics are on?
I think Rajnikant.
Right. So on 25th, we have this one session related. Evening 5 o'clock, it will be 5:30. We'll be sending that poster to all. And I request everyone to share the poster with your friends or relatives. The session will be free of cost. Okay. So how many can join and benefit from this particular program? They can get benefited. It will be completely on mind management and leadership related. Majorly, those will be covered. Some areas, because it will be hardly a 1.5 hour session will be. So how much content can be covered in that particular time period, the content will be covered. And whatever the queries will be there, it will be addressed with them. And see that more number of people try to implement it in day-to-day life. That is what the major objective of conducting or organizing these particular programs. We have to use these shlokas or whatever the content you are getting from this particular session. It has to be used and implemented in day-to-day life. That is what the major purpose of the program. Yes, someone has raised a hand, I think. Yeah. Any queries you can ask me. So poster will be released today or tomorrow. It will be shared in the group, and you can start sharing the Google link. And you for this particular session, even you have to register it. Same. It's a registration process, because a separate group will be created for that particular day, and it will be cancelled after that session. And next thing is like we are just planning to start a different group apart from regular group, whatever the IIVSTM group, Bhagavad Gita Masters group is there. Apart from that, we just planning to